Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing a classic recipe, one of the most popular and healthiest drinks in Peru. It's called Peruvian Quinoa Breakfast Drink, a warm beverage made with quinoa, fruits, and more. It's highly recommended and packed with essential nutrients to help you start your day full of energy. As a breakfast, it's incredible, and the best part is, you can make it at home easily and quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more natural recipes. This is Nutri Intelligence. Let's get started. To make this recipe, I'm using white quinoa, which is the best of the three types for this preparation. Half a cup is enough. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for at least 20 minutes. This helps activate it and remove any impurities. Then rinse it again, and it's ready to use. In a medium pot, add cold water and a few whole cinnamon sticks. In case you didn't know, quinoa is rich in protein, making it perfect for muscles and tissues. It's also high in fiber, which promotes good digestion. We're going to use 3 fruits, apple, quince, and pineapple. These give the drink its characteristic flavor. The best thing about apple and quince is that they are low in sugar, full of fiber, and antioxidants. Pineapple will be the fruit that adds the most natural sugar. Wash everything well, peel the fruits, cut them into cubes, and add them to the pot along with 2 cloves. Remember, it's always better to use organic fruit free of pesticides, especially if you want to include pineapple peel in the infusion. While it starts to boil, rinse the quinoa again and add it to the pot. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, until the quinoa is soft. This Peruvian quinoa breakfast drink has a slightly thick consistency. Some people add cornstarch or potato starch to thicken it, but I like to use oats instead. They also provide fiber and are good for digestion. Mix half a cup of oats with a little cold water, then add it to the pot. This prevents clumping when it hits the hot liquid. The final step is optional. You can choose whether or not to sweeten the drink. In this case, I'm using panela, an unrefined natural cane sugar that retains nutrients like iron and calcium. A few tablespoons are enough. Let it cook for 5 more minutes, then turn off the heat and let it rest for another 5 minutes before serving. And there you have it, our quinoa drink is ready. This drink is super traditional and popular in Peru, and the best part is that you can make it anywhere in the world. What do you think of this recipe? Easy, right? And with just a few simple ingredients, this is a much healthier breakfast option. It's delicious and a unique way to enjoy quinoa. The fruit chunks give it a special touch. Let me know if you've tried this classic before, and tell me which recipe I should make next. This is Nutri Intelligence. See you next time. Here are a few videos you might enjoy.